Hi friends, in this video I will be showing user guide, warranty card and warranty claim steps for Wakefit Orthopedic Mattress. This section explains how to care, how to clean and how to put mattress on coat. This section explains warranty, what are covered in the warranty. This section explains unboxing instructions. Here we can see step 1, step 2, step 3 and 4. This is a warranty card. Please keep it safely. We can contact Wakefit via email support@wakefit.co, and there is a WhatsApp number. So here we are seeing the steps for claiming warranty. Okay, so please check it. In this warranty card we can find what are covered in the warranty and what are not covered. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.